All children deserve a great education, no matter where they're from. Mississippi Public Broadcasting plays a large part in the communities that we go into. A lot of our focus is on literacy. We met with our partner, Springboard to Opportunities, about bridging the gap between home and school. With that came the Parent Academy. MPB Parent Academy is a literacy initiative for our parents. During the first sessions, we met Val, and she was not excited about being there.
I thought it was about, we're gonna show you how to raise your children. But once I got there that first night, yeah, we was not ready to go home.
She knew that something was needed to help her with her boys.
A lot of moms get discouraged because they may have reading issues. I used to be one of them.
Now she's taken all the books that we've given her and she's created this library in her home. Val went on to help recruit other moms for the next session of our Parent Academy. One night, she has this great news. Springboard to Opportunity, which is our partner, had hired her. We were just like, oh my gosh, that is so wonderful. With that, she became our voice in the community.
Someone cares enough to lay out this road of opportunity for little old me and my boys.
Val wanted a better life for her family, and she's giving them that. She now has a job. We're proud of the fact that Val is an advocate for Mississippi Public Broadcasting.
We love MPB. We love what they do. It's life-changing. It really is.